Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Actual fact, today we're doing a rectification on the flight of stairs. Now, these stairs were previously fitted in the style of a waterfall. The customer would like the carpet to follow the contour of the steps. So without further ado, let's crack on. When you're going to fit stairs like this, there are two things you need to remember. Number one, you need to remove the underlay from the riser. And number two, you should start from the bottom and work your way up. Carpet was already fitted on the stairs, so we are working our way down from the top. We take the nail gun, we nail underneath the nosing, and then we bolster into the gripper. Oh yes, and the tools I'm using today is a nail gun, which is a 606. It fires brads and U-nails, and also a bolster, and I will be using a hammer a little bit later. I'm using the bolster here to rub the carpet down flat to make sure that it's actually sitting on the gripper. Don't forget, as you work your way down the stairs, cut off all your excess strings on the side and tuck the edges of your carpet down with the bolster. It makes it look a lot neater when you're finished. It also gives you less work when you get to the bottom of the stairs, having to walk all the way back up and cut off all those loose strings. And basically all we're going to do is rinse and repeat until we get to the bottom of the stairs. Now I know a few of you guys are going to say, you should have fitted from the bottom upwards. I know that. And just in this particular instance, I'm working from the top because we're working with existing carpets. And in a perfect scenario, we would have replaced all of the carpet with new. And now I'm just going to grab the hammer and the stair tool, and I'm going to bolster the carpet right in, making sure that it is well seated and that it won't come out. Let me know how you get on with your carpet fitting on your stairs, or landing for that matter. Or if you have any problems with vinyl, let me know. Send me a message and I'll see if I can answer your questions for you. And now that we've reached the bottom of the stairs, I'm going to work from the bottom upwards this time, because I had to cut 2 new steps, because as we came down the stairs with the existing carpet, because we changed the style of fitting, it actually dropped short by 2 steps. So I had to cut 2 more steps, and I'm now going to work from the bottom upwards. There you go. As I was bolstering the stairs, and I noticed that there was a bump on the step, and I couldn't figure it out for a minute. And then it dawned on me, it's the underlay. So I rectified that and continued bolstering in the carpet. Now, on that note, I do believe we've come to the end of this one. If this is the type of content that you enjoy, please check out my playlist. And if you've got this far in the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment and share. And check out this next video coming up.